How to get your hair to stay back. I get so many questions and comments, people saying, oh, Salon Guy, my hair just falls down, and what do I do to keep my hair back? So I hate to say it's fairly simple, and it comes down to product. If you have long hair, like even if it's down to here, even here, and it's long enough where you can slick it back like this, and you want your hair to stay back, you have to have a product that is strong enough from the hold perspective that it won't fall down. That's simply why your hair falls down, because you're using something. Doesn't mean it's a bad product, you're just not using the right product for your hair. So you gotta have something that is gonna help keep that hair back. Now it depends on the next part of it is what's the right product. So you could use something like a gel, right? Now a gel is a very traditional type of product. The problem is there's a lot of very inexpensive, cheap gels you can get at the store that they flake up, they harden too much. It's just, they're awful, right? You run your fingers through it and it just becomes white flakes all over. Yeah, you're paying a very low price for those products, but you're getting poor results. So that's why I'm not a huge gel guy, to be honest with you. And I have reformulated my own product, Power Cream. So if you are familiar with Power Cream, I made it a cream gel, okay? Now, again, gels are great, but purely because of the consistency. So I always suggest, if you are looking for a product that you want your hair to stay back, have a really strong, firm hold, and you don't want it to flake up, and you want to have maybe, a fairly kind of matte finish, nothing greasy, oily, that is where Power Cream comes in. This was reformulated under my crafted line, and I'm going to tell you, this product not only smells incredible, but it has the hold, and I'm going to demonstrate this. I mean, this is a thick head of hair right here. This mannequin has a ton of hair. It's got the hold, it's got the incredible, really, really warm, nice, upscale fragrance, a very sophisticated fragrance, and it's got the applying power that's so easy and so user-friendly that you just pour it in your hand, run it through, and you're good to go. So I'm going to demonstrate, okay, let's get a little closer here. I'm going to demonstrate how to go about applying this, and you'll see that it's fairly easy. So this is what it looks like here, Crafted Power Cream. It's available at shop.thesalonguy.com. This is a brand new one. I'm going to pop it open, okay, and I'm going to just squeeze it, and it comes out, as you can see, a very creamy consistency, right? So then I'm going to work it through my hands while it's still creamy and light, and you don't have a whole lot of time to work this through the hair because of the grip and the holding power it has. But once you get it through the hair, you got to work quick. Once you get it through the hair, it literally is like crazy glue to an extent, to where it has incredible hold. It does not make your hair feel awful, and you can actually rework it if you want down the road at some point, okay? For products like this, people always say, oh, I want my hair to stay back and be super strong, but I also want it to be pliable. You can't have that. If you want your hair to stay back and have a firm hold and not move, then what's the point of you wanting to run your fingers through it? Because when you run your fingers through it, it's going to break the hold. So this is a set it and forget it product. Literally, it took me seconds to apply. And as you can see here, it's got a nice, the light's obviously on it, but it's got a matte finish, a very natural type of finish. It smells great. It applies very, very easily, and that's it. Okay? You set it and forget it. And what's going to happen over time is this will kind of firm up. It'll become even more matte than this, or very natural. It's not going to add any shine to your hair, and you're going to be good to go. Can you use it as a pre-styler? I mean, you can if you want, but to me, this is more designed as a post-styler. Depending on the thickness of your hair, you probably don't need that much, but if you were to use it as a pre-styler, I would use like a very little amount, but the key is you have to get it in your hair. You don't have a lot of working time with this product, meaning you got to put it in your hands, keep it very creamy, and work it through your hair. And when you start breaking it down, it's going to become very, very grippy. That hold's going to activate, and you're not going to have a whole lot of time to put it in your hair. It's actually probably not even going to run through your hair because it's already activated. So you don't want to do this that you see everybody on YouTube doing. You don't want to do that. You want to lightly rub it through, keep it creamy, and then apply it because you want it to go through the hair. You want it to coat all of the hair. If you do it like this, there's nothing you can do. Now, if you want to be experimental, you've got short hair, you want to work it through your hands fully and make it very kind of more of a strong, firm type, and then you want to style your hair and try it that way, then you could probably do that as well. So really what it comes down to in the end is the right product to keep your hair back. And Power Cream, this gem right here, I'm telling you, it's a home run. It's really an amazing product, and it's available at shop.thesalonguy.com. Now, before you go, I have a exclusive discount code for you, code YouTube20. That's YouTube20. You get 20% off, and it's free shipping in the United States on order values of over $50. So if you apply that discount code and it's not over $50, you're not going to get free shipping. So the order value with the discount has to be over $50 to get the free shipping, which we eat, right? And again, it's ready to go for you guys to purchase. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you soon.